Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Welcome back to another episode right here at Mike's Mods and Customs. Today we got a fantastic episode to show you, so please take a seat, grab yourself a beverage, get comfortable, and enjoy the show. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode here at Mike's Mods and Customs. We got another box in, so we're going to do another Johnny Lightning unboxing. What we have today is the Classic Gold 2022 Release 2. So I'm just going to get this camera positioned. We'll get some things moved around, get this box open. Let's see what's in there. Alright, so we know, opened up enough of these by now. We know there's going to be two smaller cases inside this big case. Two of the exact same. So this little case is going to have the same as what this one has. So it's two of each color. I have no idea what's in this guy. So let's see how we can do here. Oh, okay. So we have a 1982 Mazda RX-7 in black. Oh no, it's actually called Tornado Silver. Tornado Silver. Sorry for the glare. We don't have the best view here. There we go. It's a little better. Nice looking car. What's this one? A 2012 Z06 Corvette in crystal red. Black 5 spokes. Nice looking car. Oh, what do we have here? Alrighty then. We have an 84 Nissan 300ZX White Lightning. It's got the white tires. White windows, that's weird. They're really changing things up. Don't have the white base, but looks like it should be a, oh no, it's an Aspen Gold. Huh. I say it's a White Lightning because of the wheels and the interior. Normally the color's different, but hey, super cool. These are all gonna go on the shelf at the new store. No holding. Not keeping this stuff for myself. 62 Plymouth Savoy Max Wedge. That's an interesting car. That rounded rear window. Well, I wouldn't want to have to replace that glass. Nice looking car, if you like Plymouth. Alright, two more. Alrighty, 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. In that blue. That's a pretty sweet looking color. Bright blue poly, they call it. Awesome front detail there. With the fog lights down below. I don't know if you can see that there. Very nice car. Black base. Very nice. And a Mustang. 86 Ford Mustang SVO. Light Regatta Blue. It's actually a pretty nice looking car. Because of the SVO, it's got that hood scoop. I'm not too crazy about that hood myself personally, but I mean, it is a Mustang. Obviously not too crazy about it to begin with, but it's old school. I like it. Alright, cool. I'm gonna take a break here for a sec, get these 6 back in the box. We'll open up that other one just to see if we happen to have the other one of this. Alright, hang in there with me. See what we got in the other box. Alright, so here's the contents from the other box. The Cougar, the Mustang, the Plymouth, and there's the Nissan 300ZX, the regular one, the Corvette, and the RX-7. So these two right here, there it is. Another White Lightning, Johnny Lightning score. The 84 Nissan 300ZX pulled another White Lightning. It's pretty sweet. So there we have it. Thanks for joining me. This Johnny Lightning Classic Gold White Lightning pull. And thanks for joining me here for another episode here at Mike's Mods and Customs. If you really like what you see here, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and maybe even share it along to a couple of friends of yours. Once again, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you on the next one.